Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. If you are interested in finding a single software that allows you to integrate several design tools to create a variety of visual products, such as applications, wireframes, whiteboards, or diagrams, and manage your team and the progress of your projects at the same time, you will love what we are about to present to you. In today's video, we will talk about Mockups, a cloud-based visual collaboration platform designed to help companies build websites and mobile apps. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Mockups. Mockups is a visual collaboration tool that helps you create visual products for various purposes, including whiteboards, design components, and diagrams. It also allows firms to plan, collaborate, improve project management, streamline operations, and track progress. Mockups can help many types of organizations working on complex projects. Mockups alignment tools allow users to perform numerous activities. In addition, its template kits let users combine items from the built-in library, including icons, fonts, shapes, and widgets, to create unique designs. Remote teams can use Mockups to create wireframes and communicate online quickly. In addition, your team can design web and mobile apps. You can choose from over 100 business frameworks and user experience flow templates. Then, you will be able to customize your templates using the free Mockup tool and quickly shift from poor to high-quality design workflow. The platform also allows you to design in your browser on Windows or Mac OS. Furthermore, wireframing is made simple by dragging and dropping pre-built UI components. You can connect Mockups with Jira, Confluence, Slack, Trello, Dropbox, and Google Drive. Any level of your team can use the collaborative wireframing tool to build interactive prototypes and whiteboard data. If you like what you hear about Mockups, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now, let's continue with Mockups. The intuitive interface of Mockup's quick Flowchart Builder allows any team member to produce anything from simple flowcharts to complicated diagrams at any level of your project's development. With the free online Flowchart Builder, you can create stunning diagrams. Additionally, you can map out complicated systems, business processes, customer journeys, and information hierarchies with your complete cross-functional team. Working in the cloud allows you to stay in sync no matter where you are without files or downloads. You will work together on the same page, creating and decorating with live cursors, chat, and comments. You can also export to PNG or PDF, provide project URL to stakeholders, and use Preview to present. You can swiftly visualize any flow, system, process, or idea, drag and drop diagram shapes. Furthermore, you will be able to choose from an extensive collection of industry-recognized flowchart symbols. Mockup's free Flowchart Builder includes everything your team needs to generate professional flowcharts and documentation, including all the tools and flexibility they'll need. As a great feature, you can integrate with Atlassian to create, edit, and embed diagrams and flowcharts in Jira issues and Confluence pages for your team. It's easy to browse through beautiful data visualizations and pick the one that best suits your audience and data. It is as easy as performing 4 simple steps. You can create stunning charts. Choosing from over 100 themes and chart styles is easy. You don't have to start from scratch, but you can if you want to. To add data to a fully editable table, you can paste data from a CSV file. Third, you can personalize your graphs by adding legends or grids, changing colors and fonts, padding, and more. You can also add it to your dashboard and convert it to PNG or PDF. Mockups is more than a graphing tool. You can maximize the effect of your data by integrating it into dashboards, wireframes, prototypes, whiteboards, and diagrams within the same platform. Using the online graph builder, you can create custom graphs that reflect your brand and target audience. You can easily share whiteboards with Mockups. You will be able to create completely interactive whiteboards to facilitate team cooperation. In addition, there are no downloads required, and you can work directly from your web browser on any device. Many features are available to collaborate with your teams, such as sticky notes, freehand drawing, annotations, shapes, chat, comments, and more. To rapidly build up your whiteboard, you can drag and drop photos, annotations, symbols, and emoticons, or start drawing from scratch if you want to. You can also export PNG or PDF files. Your team can quickly record online meetings and feedback sessions. You can also invite team members to collaborate, strategize, track progress, and provide feedback. Mockups is easy to use, avoiding a learning curve and involving all stakeholders. You can also utilize screen sharing software like Zoom or Skype to present your meetings. You can present your graphs on a smartphone or iPad with the preview feature. Mockups employs a variety of tools to organize brainstorming sessions, share ideas, conduct virtual workshops, and manage agile workflows. Mockups templates for mobile apps and web pages can help you get started. You can also use the pre-built frameworks to plan, strategize, and analyze. You can create pages or work from a limitless canvas. Then utilize layers and folders to organize your work. The Mockups extension can also be used for research and mood boards. In addition, you can copy and paste photographs directly onto the website with the Mockups plugin. The free UML Diagram tool lets you generate excellent business process representations. You can collaborate with the UML editor in real time, customize over 100 diagramming templates, or create your own using drag and drop. You can also use any browser work on Windows, macOS, and Linux with the same UI. Additionally, you can create UML diagrams with drag and drop elements, and easily share live links or files, and output to PNG, PDF, or HTML. With Mockups, you can create UML diagrams to represent complicated systems and business processes. Your team can create flowcharts and UML diagrams with the Flowchart Creator and a drawing tool at any project stage. Mockups offers 3 great plans depending on your needs and the type of organization you belong to. Besides its differences in features and price, all these plans include unlimited objects, comments, feedback, prototype interactions, a much different flow diagram, the ability to upload your designs, choose from over 1,000 icons, and manage templates with easy-to-use drag and drop options. You can use the Trello and Slack integrations and share your designs, exporting PDF, PNG, and Google Drive files. If you like what you heard about Mockups, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our social media channels. We're sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.